I'd love to have some comments, guys. What would you do? I know it needs knocking down. I know that. But other than just tighten it up, you just ain't got the money for it. This is a can of worms. This is a big job. We all know it, but we're just going to tighten it up. And the wall is all leaning. It's all leaning slightly as well. So I'm just going to put some tyres in it, brick tyres, and do my best, guys. It's all you can do in it sometimes, is do your best. Oh my God, guys. What is going on with this wall? I think what's happened, like the water's got on the top and it's just decayed the floor. Big tree there, massive trees all over have ruined this. There's trees that have been taken out of the ground. Don't look like it, guys, but that is a tree. That's a stump. So they wasn't thinking when they built this wall. There's no ties in this wall. It's as damp as anything, and if you touch it, it falls out. It falls over. But I've got to try and bodge it all back in, try and make it look half decent again. I don't think it's going to last more than 5 minutes, but it's what the customer wants. He knows the situation, guys. He knows. He just wants me to tighten it up a bit. This side's better because it's not damp, is it? You can see it's bone dry this side, and then it starts getting damp again here. So it's obvious all the water's coming in. We know what to do, but how much would it cost to do all this, dig all this up, knock this wall down? A massive job. So he just wants to tighten up, guys. And from here it's okay. This is what I've got to try and get it back to looking like, just some kind of remnants of a wall. But yeah, I don't know. I haven't slept for 2 days. I've got a stinking cold, and I've got to start this today. I'm not in a happy place. I think I'll tackle this first, get this all back up. Anyway, let's see what it looks like at the end, eh? There you go. That's 150 bricks laid, roughly. Probably got another 200 to lay, I'd say. I don't know. It's come out alright. What do you think? Straightened up to a fashion. Here do. Happy days. That there is how much it's opened up. This is all falling down. So you have to do the best I can. And then these are just like this.